everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is just gonna be a really aesthetic way to keep you motivated, keeping in with the fact that it's the beginning of the month and don't want you to lose that motivation. It's just because you're going into the year and everything. Oh, we're going very fast. Okay, well, make 3 columns. That's the ones that go down, right? Yeah, I think so, the ones that go down. Then you're just gonna draw some leaves going down the 3 lines that you just made. That's a lot of leaves. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, more leaves. Oh, okay, look at that, an artist. Support the art. Okay, now this, you're just gonna do this along the top, just so that there's a bit of, you know, design flair, that's all. Wow, she draws really quickly, doesn't she? Okay, we're coloring in the little flowers that we made earlier. Yep. There we go. Color, color, color. Doop, doop, doop. I love that. That's amazing. Okay. Now you're just gonna draw a line right down the middle of those leaves that we drew earlier and colored in earlier, and that's just gonna make them look like vines going down the page. RIP. And just rub out all the pencil lines. Now we're just gonna take some. This is Haki cover, where I'm from. It's used to cover books, but anyway, it's just brown paper. Okay, the first column we're just gonna write I am. In the second one we're writing I forgive myself for, and in the third one I commit myself to. Oh wow, I am writing very slowly there. Wow, I've aged 70 years just watching this. Incredible. Oh, okay, we're still going. Okay, so in the first one, you're just gonna... Oh, okay, we're not explaining that yet. No, we are putting it in a picture frame because we're hanging this up. God damn. In the first column, you just want to write stuff that you want to be more like, that you want to work on being. Like if you want to be more trusting of people, you put that there. Second column, stuff you want to forgive yourself for. Third column, stuff that you want to be more committed to. Anyway, bye. See you guys next week, and it's been fun. Love you. Please subscribe. Goodbye.